this is the elevator here at a random parking garage here in downtown Wausau, Wisconsin. And look what we have here. This was originally known as Lexan, but unfortunately got modded. Disgusting compliment though. Ugh.
How you doing?
Is that the motor?
I'm great. Hey, there should be a VA out there from from Purdue Northwest for about $100,000. It's got some access points on it that should be there at 64 off, and then like everything else is 63 off. And it should match up with a proposal that we did.
I think this is the motor.
If Vicky's in the office, we did that for you.
So here it
the
is.
last proposal that we did for them was like a -2 or -3.
It's definitely a notice cab.
But here's what's going on. So they're trying to get that order.
Scale 3. No door close button, of course. Here we go. Whoa. This thing's weird. Ow. This thing's weird. Wow. Oh, there's a lantern. This thing's weird, to be honest. This train's annoying now. Jeez. Ew, disgusting. That was weird. Stopping at 2B. Going up?
Yeah.
You going to 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that where you're going?
Yep. I'm just holding the elevator here, that's all. That's weird. Here you go. You're welcome.
Thank you. Can I get out?
Okay, thank you. We're in the main level. It's a very nice elevators. Obviously the cab is original, but they just slap on those new buttons. There's an 88 phone over here. Weird. What's this? A little bit for door. My door.
Sure. Thanks.
You ready for this little rickety start? Watch.
Hey, so I got Jill working at our office and getting everything kind of ready to go.
And here we got 3.
As soon as the 9 days is approved. Are you coming back down here?
No,
No?
we're going off here.
Okay.
Of course,
I just want to make sure, so I'm gonna get this stuff delivered to my office, right? And if, by chance this order doesn't come through.
There goes the
I
elevator,
can still send it back.
and I guess that is going to be it.